All right, so let us catch up. Jump. Sir. Jump. No, someone has to swap. Just jump.
Okay, jump.
So chat can give you many things. Zina Shama. Yeah, never you guys. Never you guys.
Okay, and yeah.
Yeah, never you guys. Every two in a one. Like
Okay. Okay, and you are a young bubble shaker. A young bubble shaker.
Okay, so thank God, please. We'll give you a big excellent. I think number 8. You, which number do you read?
7. Okay, we are not.
You was thinking that let them just be pushing it. So see where you go. Okay, you read number 9. There's somebody you replace it. Wait. Let everybody.
No, but no, let me do it. No, we are learning now.
Let me tell you. Okay, you want to learn?
Yes.
You want to read? Yes. Guy, very confident. Clap for him. All right, let's go.
If she can do it, I can.
I think there's no any recording. No record, man. You come out as a shaman, especially the new people. Let us know how we learn. Let us know how we are improving.
Can I go ahead?
Okay, so you have enough. Because we will need it too. That's why.
Okay.
Okay, so no camera quality yet.
Please, always. I know that you didn't even capture that one. We will need all these things because we have. So, my forgotten. So, pray first.
We'll read Bible, will not pray. You have respect.
Yeah, we have already started with prayer. We open the meeting with prayer. Okay?
Award Ambam Oniet Share the Swanta Huani. Sir, what Tom as a gi a katu yam a yitu. Lydia yet Oniet Nang away, Yud Bahu Takada. This one who need Nang kan mad swanta uba. Takada who yet se fung unfuk who nang who what any.
A round of applause. You see, when you were doubting.
All my enemies.
When you were doubting. You see? They were sharing on Guama. Get to near Guam. They were sharing on Guama, Doro Young. A senior, I'm going to come by here. What Chan Nankan and Nanding money? Or what Chakang you and India? Chan you and your Macamba good on your reading competition. Can you? Fang Mak. That's reading competition. Fang Mak. So now you that we are doubting God to me and now she came back. You at the end of the day, you are the one that won. Let me tell you, the only thing you do not get is the flowing. But you just count it, and by counting you get it. Let me tell you this. So the only mistake that you have was this word.
Need.
Even net. Okay, here. wine. You see this wine? Alright? Wine you lose your bahu. Wine you lose your bahu. Dapat daun suan. Net nang kemas suan kau. Net nang kemas suan kau. Alright? So this draw net we give it to come again. Net nang kemas suan kau. But at least we breathe. Alright? So that's why it's very good that you can start. That's why you don't see any comma from here. You don't see any comma or full stop to here. So you can imagine what you get. Alright? All the section just done. Before you see a comma, it's done. So now, please, another round of applause. So now, let's get the correction, please, Mr. Ashan. Let's make it just fluent. Let's make it just fluent. Eight. Orang komen dia tak, orang komen dia bersih, terus mantap. Kau tak, yang kita ini tak, ang mai tujuan tak, yang maka dahu dia, maka dahu dia. Where you get the you can get this one. Alright? If you can get this one, you can get this one. This is the beginning article of this book. Alright? So if you can get this one, you get your ending. But sir, another confusion there, sorry. Yes. That one, there should be end it. Some no. Yes, some yes, they are correct. No, the phone is already on its own. Do you know where the end was pressed down? Because of this beginning article here. Alright? We have Takadahu here. But if you say Takadahu yes or Takadahu, alright? Takadahu yes, please understand here. Understand here. So now, this Takada is used as a Kwamwa now. Alright? Kwam what? Okay, I know Kwam what. Can still give you for Kwam what? Kwam what? Like the kind of skin that meant.
No, it's skin of frog.
So now, Mr. Genesis, this is where that end was pressed down. Because we have a dictionary article here and we have a dictionary article. Alright? So now, without this dictionary article, we said that yes, that end was from here.
No, that will be plural. It will be with the S-I underscore.
Alright? So now, with that, we still got something. I think I was talking decoration again. Okay?
Okay, what I said earlier,
That was where I was looking. So now, please, at least, we are learning this, are we?
Very well.
We are waiting for the next. The numbers should sound quite you must be the last. So Yoganamzaza is short, number 9. Okay. You will just read number 9. That's how we read number 9. Just read what you know. My young
Uncle, Meow, Afu, Pong, Fa, Afu.
Right. Clap for him, please. Clap for him, please. No, let people may laugh. And he may think that he cannot get it. He get the content. He get, like, pay your attention. He get everything. The only thing is that donation. Alright? The only thing here is that donation and be friendly. Alright? So now, for example, he wrote this thing based on how he read it. I can understand. And I can make that connection. For example, he read what he just read. No matter how he read it, as far as he can write it the way he read it, I can understand it. Alright? So he really tried. And he did not even continue with this. Alright? So we have to actually sometimes try.
Yeah.
We have to try. So Mr. Genesis, let's move on. Alright. So now, even Mr. Genesis, yes, that's why we say you get everything, almost everything. Even Mr. Genesis did not get this one. Before, they say before. Did he say before? Because I thought I did not hear it well. Because you must draw this one. It cannot be before. It's called before. It's a kind of bracket because we have A with underscores there, double A. Alright? Alright? So that's why we have what is book?
If it were.
Wait, what is book before you ask me? What is book? I think Mr. Levy asked this question yesterday. What is book? What is book? Right there. Yeah? What is book, Mr. and Mrs. Pierre? What is book? Book is what? What is book?
Understand.
All right. Let me catch you. Please, you will bear with me. Let me just.
That's different meaning. Just one of the meanings. Yeah. Just one of the meanings. Okay, so as you look your exam money.
Please, you just be. I will explain. All right.
Blackboard.
Ana bi tamam yureja. Ninge baba ko ninge no participate. Ni ya. Genesis you ko nge kan lo tun ni din ta. A jam kan.
A gem.
A jam, yes. Who hear that one? A jam. That is like
Jump.
should I even use that way?
That's
Yum.
Olympian.
Mr. Bernard, please go here with me.
You understand.
This is A, please listen. A is A underscore A. See, I clean it.
One more soon.
Ali, one kwa masuniana. All right. So we have A underscore S A underscore A H W O T. Then we have N A. Then we have I underscore. I underscore K Okay. And we have sorry, this one's supposed to be underscore A N double G question mark. All right. I will not ask Shan. I may ask you, but not now. I may ask you, but not now. All right. Can you read number 1 and tell us the meaning? I'll read number 2 and tell us the meaning based on your own understanding.
That's of what?
What is Asopona? Sorry.
The water.
All right.
The water has dried.
All right. And number 2.
Fuk ngua. Fuk ngua.
All right. That what is that one? Wait. Nobody should say anything. What is the meaning?
I understand.
Where? Wait. I need someone. What is the meaning? What is it?
Are you understanding?
Huh? All right. You say, are you understanding? Yes, I've already get your